Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can make a photo or image black and white in your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So let me use that channel logo for demonstration purposes here. If you don't know how to insert an image into your diagrams, guys, here on Drawings, what you want to do is navigate to your diagram. You will see the canvas size, for example, here bordering these objects. So what you want to do is click into Insert, select image and upload it from one of these sources. For example, from your computer or device. Next, what you want to do is navigate to the format options of the image. To do that, left click into it, select format options. Here to the right, expand recolor. Choose this drop down menu and scroll to the very bottom and you will see black and white here. And that's how it looks like. And you can use that. You can also, for example, expand the color adjustments here and choose different contrast or brightness setups, like here for instance, using these sliders. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.